Oh guys, there's so many inside. Hi guys, my name is Isai in Y channel. So today guys, we're gonna doing another fun video, which is we're going to play my toys. And this is my first. I'm so excited to play guys with my friends and my little sister. But before we start our video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also hit that notification bell so that you're always updated on our new vlogs. So are you ready guys? So guys, it's all here. So it's a projection painting. So this is so fun for your children and your friends. So yeah, you have also instruction here on the side. Guys, you can rotate the disc. You can up and down the head of the dinosaurs, and you can also erase the whiteboard. So let's go and open them. Oh guys, there's so many inside. So yeah, look. So there's something on the So guys, so let's begin now and arrange all that. So we have this one, a dinosaur head for the table. We have also drawing books, markers, some 3 chips, or 3 discs, white clothes, and batteries. And we have also eraser guys. So let's begin. So guys, so let's go and arrange them all. So first we're gonna go here, the 4 of them. This of the legs of the table. So if you don't want to put it, it's okay. Yeah. So let's put now on the back. Here guys, on the back. You see that there? Put it in here guys, like that. See, and yeah, make sure guys you hear the click like this, like that. And here, like this click guys, like that. So guys, last one. Okay, it's all done. Look, it's so pretty. So you can see now over there. So next one, let's put some batteries for our dinosaur. I don't know what dinosaur this is, or I don't know guys. So guys, you need 3 large batteries, like this batteries guys, so it can fit in this inside. So you can open up like that, and you can put 3 batteries in here. So let's go start. So we're all done putting batteries, and let's put here guys on the circle. You said a circle. Just put like that guys. It's gentle. And done. So guys, yeah, we have now this one. It's so pretty. And next, let's put this 3 disc in here. Yeah. Next one, this is a color pen. So I have no more here, so I'm gonna put it right in here guys, on my table. And I have also white gloss so that I can do like that. And I'm gonna put here too. So guys, I'm all done. It's pretty. So I have drawing books, so I can put it in. So are you ready to start it? So let's begin. So guys, I'm back right here. So let's go and start it. So first, this is the on button. And here guys, like that. You press that in here and it lights on. It's so pretty. If you put it, it also sound guys. So guys, so So here guys, so let's put the drawing book here. I want the color green guys. So let's put here guys on, look, go here and here guys. Yeah, like that and start. Super easy guys. So you can see the apples and the orange, the tomato, the cherry, grapes, watermelon, and pineapple. So I'm gonna pick the tomato. So let's start first, red tomato. So guys, I'm all done making my tomatoes and it's so nice. Look. Ta-da! It's so good. And I'm so happy that I made this thing. So it's so good. You have 3 different discs. It has so many drawings. Orange is all of the vehicles and the red the animals, and the green is all of the fruits and vegetables. So yeah, so guys, let's make another one. So guys, let's make again. So I'll pick guys the color red, and let's make another animals. So yeah, let's go see it. First is this one. It's caramel, and next the lion, elephant, giraffe, jaguar, monkey, goat, horse, and another carabao. So I will pick this guys, this one. So I will pick the elephant. So I'm gonna draw elephant guys. Let's start guys. So guys, I'm all done making it. The elephant. Look. Yes! It's so pretty. I'm so sorry for that big ears and this is not big. But I really see it for the picture that they're not the same ears. So it's okay guys. So thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And always remember, stay happy.